What is up guys, it's Jack again here with another video, and today I want to talk to you about something that I've come to realise over the last few weeks and months, that is something that the wealthy do, that you could start doing today to help push you towards success. Now listen, I've got a very exciting announcement to make, so if you stay till the end of this video, I will be announcing that. It's super exciting, and you will not want to miss it. Honestly, if you are one of my subscribers or interested in property at all, make sure that you stick to the end because it's some very exciting news. But before I share about that, the other day I was with some friends, some people who I've connected with recently over the past few weeks really, and last couple of months. Really cool people, and the other day I went to hang out with them and we were chatting. There was probably there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us in the room, okay? And after I spent time with them, I was like, whoa, this is like really encouraged me and fired me up to keep pushing towards my goals. And like in that room, okay, there probably wasn't a single person who wasn't making at least £50,000 a month, okay? And these are people my age. These are people similar age to me, and they were telling me about how they're making 6 figures a month, and breaking down their business plans, their business models. A lot of them are in property. And it just got me thinking, who you surround yourself with is actually massively important. I've recently joined an app as well called Clubhouse. If you're on it, make sure that you follow me. My username is Jack Smith. Finally, my name's so generic, I've never been able to come up with a username before, but I got onto Clubhouse early and was able to bag the username Jack Smith. So if you're on that, make sure that you follow me. But I've been on that a lot recently, and there's loads and loads of platforms and rooms that you can go in. If you don't know what it is, essentially you can go onto it. It's a social media platform, a new one, where you can set up rooms and chat with people. And it sounds quite basic, but it's been so valuable, because there've been people on there, right, who are billionaires, multi-millionaires, who are incredible at property, incredible at business, and they've got so much insight and knowledge. And I've been able to join these rooms and not just hear their free, valuable information, but also ask questions and get my questions answered about business and about property. And I tell you what, the people I've been connecting with and the time that I've spent with them and the questions that I've been able to get answers to, you actually would have to pay thousands and thousands of pounds just to be mentored and coached and to be able to chat with them, be in a room with them. So to be able to virtually meet online and get my business questions answered, my property investment questions answered, it's actually been so valuable, but also really fired me up to go and continue to push my business, continue to push building my portfolio of properties. Like, it's been amazing. And the thing that I've taken away from it massively is both from meeting up with those people, but also joining Clubhouse and all that stuff, it's just really got me thinking, who you connect with is so important. Who you surround yourself with is so important. There's that cliche term, your network is your net worth, and it actually is true. Like, it's actually true. That there's another one that people say, you know, you are the result of your 4 closest friends. If you have 4 friends, if you surround yourself with 4 people who are skeptics, you will become skeptical. If you surround yourself with positive people, you will become positive. Like, who you surround yourself with, you just start to become like. And so what a lot of people say in the business space and the property space, if you surround yourself with people who are pushing the boundaries, who are setting big goals, who are making a lot of money, you won't be able to help yourself but push towards that same kind of lifestyle where you are genuinely actually making big moves in your business. And if you look at some of the richest people in the world, you've got people like, one of the most famous friendships in the business world is Warren Buffett and Bill Gates. 2 of the top richest people in the world hang out together and play chess together. Like, it's unbelievable. But they spend time together and they push each other to constantly achieve and do more with their business and generate more income and impact the world even more. And it's insane, and it's actually so true, and it's something that people brush over so much. People talk about this, right, as if it's like an optional thing. You know, if you want to succeed, you can surround yourself with people, like good people or successful people, and, you know, it'll help. I actually think it's absolutely vital. So if you are around people, okay, if the closest people to you are people who are putting you down or telling you that you're silly for striving to generate wealth or create passive income or start a business or whatever it is, if you're surrounding yourself with people like that, it's going to be so hard. If not, I actually would dare to say it's near impossible to be successful in the field that you want to be in if you're around people that put you down. So what I'd suggest, okay, is connect with the right people. Surround yourself with people. Join Facebook groups and forums, okay, where you can meet like-minded people. Go to networking events. Granted, a lot of them will be online now, but go to networking events. You can watch YouTube videos. Genuinely, by watching me on YouTube, you can surround yourself with my kind of attitude and my perspective on business, and it will genuinely rub off. Surround yourself with people. Influence yourself. Listen to podcasts by people who are where you want to be. Now, for the big announcement that I want to make, okay, it feels big, it's probably not that big, but I want to let you guys know, okay, that I'm going to be creating, or I have created, in fact, and there'll be a link in the description to my private Facebook group. Okay, now the reason why I've created this Facebook group, I know out there is so many Facebook groups around property and business and all that stuff, but this isn't going to be one of those open ones that loads of people can join. This is going to be an exclusive private group that only people who are subscribed to my channel or who watch this video and other videos where I push it and promote it will be able to get access to. The reason being, I want to be so careful and cautious with who I bring into this group. I want to create a group, right, where the people in that group become my inner circle. I want to surround myself with people who are positive thinkers, who push and like strive for success in their business, in property, even in their careers, whatever. If they've got the right mindset and the right drive, I want to be around those people because those are the people I want to learn from and become more like. People who don't settle, okay? So if you're watching this video and you're interested in connecting with me and surrounding yourself with positive people, people who are successful and pushing themselves to their limits in their business and everything like that, then make sure that you click the link in the description and head over to that Facebook group and apply to be a part of it. Like I said, I actually won't be accepting anyone that applies. I'm not just going to make this, oh, as long as you click the link, you can definitely have access. I actually want to make it so that it's with the right people, positive people with positive mindsets and attitudes. Because exactly like I say, all it takes is a few people to negatively speak over you and you end up just crumbling and you can end up just feeling really downhearted. And so what I want to do is create a space that is safe for people to dream and to like share how their journey's going, and also a place for me to connect with you guys, because YouTube's great and Instagram's great, but I want a space where I actually feel like we have created and formed a community where we can build together and grow together and encourage each other. So I'm going to be doing a lot more things on there, like Facebook Lives, like polls. I'll just be like interacting with you guys so much more on a daily, weekly basis, so that we can connect more and encourage each other. And also, if you have any questions, you can ask me on the Facebook forum. That would be awesome. So if you guys are interested in connecting and growing and networking with other people who have the same drive as you to succeed in property, make sure that you click the link in the description and I will have a little look over your application, and I'll make sure that I add you to the group as well. Guys, I hope this video has been helpful. I genuinely don't want you to brush past this video and think, oh, it's just one of those like airy-fairy videos. This actually is probably one of the most important videos I've ever made. And I actually don't even think that that is a lie. I actually fully believe that. Who you surround yourself with is genuinely vital to the success of your business and of your property journey. So make sure that you connect with the right people. If you want to be part of this Facebook group and encourage each other and just build on this community that we've already created, make sure that you click the description, the link in the description below. If you like this type of video and you haven't subscribed yet, man, make sure that you subscribe. Click that bell notification so you don't miss an upload. I know that around 80% of people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So make sure, if that's one of you, if you're one of the 80% who haven't subscribed, make sure that you click the subscribe button, because I'm releasing content every single week. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one, or in the Facebook group.